Precious Osikha here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, in this video we are going to be looking at the submissions from participants of Team Atar. Yes, and we are in round 4 of the story series. Now, if you are new to my YouTube channel, I want to say a very big welcome to you. You are very much welcome. Please come and take a big hug. Come and take a hug. Come and take a hug. Okay. Now, if you are just coming across this particular video and you're wondering what's going on here, just relax, okay? You can check the story series playlist to find out more information about the story series, okay, what we do as a community here. Because writers from different parts of the world, we come together to write, explore our writing skills, and of course learn from one another. So you are in the right spot. Okay, if you are a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you, big thank you, big thank you, thank you. Yes, thank you very much for coming by here all the time to watch my videos. Okay, now I gave a prompt, okay, and of course I gave a prompt to everyone in the team, as the various teams under the story series. And yes, on the screen you can see the prompt there. It says you have the ability to freeze time. When you do, everyone freezes as well. One day you freeze time and outside the window you see a girl moving around. In not more than 5 sentences, write your next action. So that was the prompt I gave to all the teams, and of course for this video we are going to be looking at our Team Atar. Yes, of course this is round 4. So I'm going to showcase the stories on the screen, and of course I'm going to say 1 or 2 things. However, I won't be saying anything in regards to the stories this time around, especially for this round. Okay, now this is now for you, the audience, you out there who's always watching this video, to drop your opinions. Okay, tell me what you think about the stories, and of course you are free to tell me your favorites, the one you feel that resonates with you more. Okay, you are very free to drop that in the comment section. And of course I believe you are already seeing the stories on the screen. Very interesting, right? Okay, so now that you can see them, please read through and of course drop your comments. They are very important that you do that. And like I said before, if you do not have an idea of what we are doing for the story series, please go to the story series playlist. There are a couple of videos out there, so just watch them. Trust me, they are very interesting and very informative. Okay, very informative. And you are also free to watch other videos on the channel. Now, this particular prompt was inspired by a Korean drama. So if you are you've really observed my channel, you would see that my channel is not just only about writing. Yeah, I also put out Korean content. Yes, and that's because I'm a 2022 K influencer in the K Influencer Academy. Okay, that is a Korean influencer academy. All right, so you can watch the videos, watch the content there, and of course there are other content in other playlists right here on the channel. This is a home for everyone. Very interesting. Okay, so that is it.